Workspaces are the heart and soul of Qwidgets. They enable you to configure your perfect setup for each task and switch between roles seamlessly. To create a workspace, select the Create option under the Workspaces menu. This provides you with a set of templates that offer common starting points with some predefined widgets. Some templates will have required parameters, such as a stock symbol or a brokerage connection. These parameters help get a jump start on configuring the widgets just the way you want them. Next, you can enter a title and description to help you keep track of this workspace. You can also specify the compact behavior, which is whether widgets automatically shift up and/or left to fill available space. The default behavior is to not compact, so your widgets will stay right where you left them. Let's start off with an empty workspace. This will give us plenty of room to add whatever we want by clicking the Add Widget button. Widgets are organized by category and include a broad range of functionality. Some widgets, such as brokerage widgets, require a brokerage connection to be used. You can learn more about linking with a supported brokerage in the integrations video. We'll start off by adding a note widget. These are like sticky notes and provide a place for you to add any kind of static content you like. They're great for summarizing your thoughts during research sessions or as reminders for things to keep in mind when you return to this workspace later on. They support Markdown, so you can even include images, links, and more. Widgets can be resized and moved around. Some widgets behave responsively to their size and shape to scale their level of detail. You can update a widget by selecting the Configure option. This will also enable you to override the default title if you prefer. The Clone option adds an exact clone of that widget to your workspace. This is ideal for creating multiple instances of the same widget that vary slightly by configuration. Finally, you can remove widgets using the Remove option. Some widgets have complex configurations that allow you to specify filter conditions or customize columns. The Option Chain widget is a good example of one that has a lot of configuration options, including the columns it displays. It also allows you to directly make changes to the widget itself by dragging columns to reorder them. Some widgets offer interactive functionality. Clicking a strike from the Option Chain widget shows a pop-up with more detail on its call and put options. That overlay even provides a Trade Now button to launch an integrated trade ticket. Certain widgets are configured by selecting saved configurations from other tools, such as trade screens. The idea is that you would refine the screen using the full trade screener experience and then save it for use as a widget in a workspace. If you go back to update the trade screener configuration, its widgets will automatically update as well. Another neat thing about Qwidgets is that you can send widgets to workspaces from other tools. For example, if you have a linked brokerage account, you can access a dashboard view of positions and orders. You can send any of these, such as the order list, to a workspace in the form of a widget using the Add to Workspace button. In this case, we'll add the order list widget to our demo workspace. Some tools include functional links. For example, clicking the order ID will open the order view page for the full order management experience. But there is also a pop-out button that will add an order widget to this workspace so that you can manage it without having to leave this view. The order widget is one of the most interactive. You can use it to update and cancel orders from within the context of your workspace. The order widget also includes some preset view options to easily resize the widget to different sizes for common tasks. You can even have as many order widgets open as you like. Just remember that removing an order widget from a workspace doesn't cancel the underlying order. You'll need to do that explicitly. It's also really easy to manage workspaces. Simply select the Manage option, and then you have direct access to edit, clone, or delete workspaces as needed. I hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of Qwidgets workspaces. We're always working on new widgets, so if you have any requests, please be sure to reach out using our feedback option.